Good morning, this is Miss Crute. I'm going to be doing an example of how to draw your number one Sam dog and the race car. So to get started, you need a drawing utensil. So I'm using a black marker. You can use a pencil or whatever, that's up to you. And a white piece of paper. So we're going to start with our wheels, and we're going to draw pretty big so that there's not too much empty space left over on our paper. So the wheels, we're going to start down near the bottom of the page. One circle, two circles. I'm going to put two smaller circles inside of there. Now the bottom of the car, we're going to draw a horizontal line to connect the wheels. The back of the car is going to be a large curve. And the front of the car is going to be the same, but it's going to be a little bit shorter. There we go. Now we're ready to draw the front of the car, the hood of the car. We're coming back towards the back. And then we need to leave a little bit of space for the seat where our Sam is going to go. So from about, go a little bit further back. I'm going to draw a curve for where the dog is going to go. From there, we're going to start the shape of our dog's body. We're going to draw a slightly diagonal line for the back of his body and head, a horizontal line for the front of his snout. We're gonna curve down here, go back out a little bit like his mouth is open, and then connect that straight into the chair. So that's the basic shape of number one Sam's body. But we need an ear. So in this corner here, we're going to draw the ear. Kind of like a raindrop shape. And we're going to color that in. There we go. Let's add his nose at the end of his snout with a circle. We need two eyes. And he's going to be looking forward like he's looking at the road, so the pupil, the black dot in the eye, is here. Okay? Now that we have the head finished, we are ready to add some little arms. So we're going to draw near the bottom of the body. We're going to draw two curved lines for his arm. And then three fingers. Then we need the other paw, which I'm going to put, first I'm going to draw in the steering wheel like he's holding the steering wheel. So a semicircle. There we go. And put his other paw on top of the wheel. There we go. There's our steering wheel. And now you can just add some decorations to the car. We have a headlight. You could put a racing stripe. You could put a pattern on there. You could put a number or a flag. Go ahead and give it a background of some sort. So I'm going to put the road that he's riding on in here. Those lines in the middle of the street, the dashed line. You could add a city behind him or a tree or a sky. You be creative and think of how you want to decorate it. So here's my finished one. And I added color and some confetti in the background. You come up with how you would like to color yours, okay? Then take a picture and send it to me on Seesaw. All right, have fun.